Hello everyone, welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn the Standard 12 Biology Chapter 2, that is Human Reproduction. So, let us begin. Now, humans are sexually reproducing and viviparous organisms. So, viviparous means those organisms which directly give birth to the young ones. That is, they directly deliver the young ones. They do not lay eggs. So, what are the different reproductive events that happen during the human reproduction? So, the reproductive events in humans include the formation of gametes, which is called as gametogenesis, that is the preparation or producing sperms in males and ovums in females. Then the transfer of sperm into the female genital tract, that is the insemination. Then fusion of male and female gametes, which is termed as fertilization, and after this fertilization it leads to the formation of a zygote. Now the formation of zygote is followed by formation and development of a blastocyst and its attachment to the uterine wall, which is termed as the implantation. Now after implantation, the embryonic development takes place. That period is called as the gestation period, and after that, that is after the 9 months, the delivery of the baby happens, which is called as parturition. So we are going to learn about all these different steps in details. First, let us learn about the male reproductive system, human male reproductive system and human female reproductive system. So the male reproductive system consists of primary sex organs, that is a pair of testes which are suspended in a scrotum. Now they are suspended outside the body to maintain a temperature lower than the normal body temperature, which is essential for the production of sperms or the gametogenesis. Then secondary sex organs, that is a pair of ducts, each differentiated into retestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens, ejaculatory duct and the associated glands. Then it consists of the external genitalia. So as I said, they are situated outside the abdominal cavity to maintain a low temperature, which is essential for the spermatogenesis. Now each seminiferous tubule in the testis is lined by two types of cells, that is spermatogonia and the Sertoli cells. Okay, as we can see over here in this diagram, this is a seminal vesicle and these are lined by two types of cells, that is the Sertoli cells and the Leydig cells. The male accessory glands include paired seminal vesicles, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. Now the secretion of these glands form the seminal plasma, which contains of fructose, calcium and enzymes. Then talking about the female reproductive system, it consists of the primary sex organs, that is the pair of ovaries which will produce the ovum, that is the gamete. The secondary sex organs are the duct system consisting of the fallopian tube or the oviduct, the uterus, cervix and vagina, and then external genitalia and the mammary glands. Now the ovaries are the primary female sex organs that produce the female gamete and several steroid hormones. So the ovaries will produce the female gamete. Then the fallopian tube extends from the periphery of the ovary to the uterus. The uterus is a pear-shaped structure which is also called as womb, and it opens into vagina through the narrow cervix. The cavity of the cervix along with the vagina forms the birth canal. Now the wall of uterus has three layers of tissue, that is perimetrium, myometrium and endometrium, and they form a lining, as we can see over here in this diagram. This is the uterus and its wall has three layers or lining, that is perimetrium, myometrium and endometrium. Then talking about the mammary glands, that is a functional mammary gland is a characteristics of all female mammals, and the mammary gland are paired structures that contain glandular tissue of variable amounts of fats. Now the glandular tissue of each breast is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes containing the clusters of cells called alveoli. As we can see here in the diagram, these are the mammary alveolus. So each one of these is a alveoli. Then the cells of alveoli secrete milk which is stored in the cavities or the lumen of the alveoli. Then these alveoli open in the mammary tubules, and the tubules of each lobe join to form a mammary duct. So here we can see this is a mammary duct. Then several mammary ducts join to form a wider mammary ampulla which is connected to the lactiferous duct through which the milk is sucked out. So here this is the lactiferous duct, and here this is the ampulla region. So this is all in today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Buddhi Academy.